In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a hidden footer from Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem like a small task, but sometimes footers, especially hidden ones, can be a bit of a nuisance. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, ensuring that your slides look clean and professional is important. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to remove those pesky footers with confidence. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Microsoft PowerPoint for the web. This is convenient if you don't have the desktop version installed or if you're just looking to make quick edits online. To access this, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft PowerPoint for the web page. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. Be sure to enter your credentials to authenticate your account and get access to your presentations. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the PowerPoint homepage. Here you'll see a list of your recent presentations. This is where you can open the particular presentation that you're working on and want to edit. Click on the presentation you wish to work with and it will open in your browser window. With your presentation open, go ahead and click on the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. The Insert tab is where you can add various elements to your slides, such as images, tables, and text. For this tutorial, we're focusing on footers. After clicking Insert, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for and click on the Header and Footer option. This will open a dialog box where you can manage the display of footers on your slides. In the dialog box, you'll notice several options, including the option to add a footer. If you're here to remove a hidden footer, what you'll do is make sure that the checkbox next to footer is unchecked. This will ensure that no footer, hidden or otherwise, will appear on your slides. After adjusting the settings, don't forget to apply it to your slides. You can either apply it to just one slide or to all slides in the presentation, depending on your needs. To remove the footer from all slides, select the option to apply changes to all slides. And just like that, you've successfully removed the hidden footer from your PowerPoint presentation. Remember, keeping slides clean and free of unnecessary elements is key to delivering a strong professional presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances the quality of your future presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.